Hi, it's here for Asus Zenfone and I'll show you how to record calls on this device. So first open the phone application, then tap on the right tap recording to these three dots. Click to the call recordings, tap to allow. Here you'll see the recording list. You could see this recording list here and all of the previous recordings. Tap to the right tap recording to these three dots, click to the settings. Here you could switch the recording quality from high to low, to change the storage location of recordings, to use the standard one, just to change them, to rename them, to change the call recording preset name, to switch the time limit of recordings from 6 hours to 1, to keep screen on during recording with the help of the switcher. In the call recording settings, we could activate and turn off the call recording notifications, to activate and turn off auto call recording, and also got here app recording settings, so we could also change the settings here. And this is just the about section about the version of the recording. That's it. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.